It made me guilty of historical falsification, and the people running the program were undoubtedly already guilty of the same thing, and doing so in another interest, in the opposite interest. Even J. Edgar Hoover is quoted as saying, "Secrecy is addictive." Lies are inherent in secrecy. By saying secrecy is addictive, he was inferring a mystique in basic deception and lying. He might as well have said compulsive lying is fun, especially when you fool just about everyone, and you can stroll about your life holding the key to the whole mess that you created that impresses friends and confounds enemies.